Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're playing with this brand new product right here from Danessa Myricks. Myricks? Which one is it? Let me know in the comments down below. Alright guys, I've got the color Sweet Tooth right here. This is from the Infinite Chrome Flakes collection. There are 10 more colors in the collection, 11 altogether. This is phenomenal, and I can't wait to get my hands on that deep gunmetal color because I can't wait for that. I need that. I need that in my life. I can't wait to show you guys this. Let's get started. So this is it right here. Tiny component, very light. It's a plastic component. Now this is my issue with it, is that if you have claws like I do, beautiful claws, you cannot fit your finger in here to kind of scoop it out. You could go in with your nail, but that's kind of really not all that hygienic. So today we're going to be using this brush right here. This is a collab from Morphe and Makeup by Ariel. I'm just going to go in, dip into this beautiful gel-like finish formula. That is a lot. We don't need that much. I'm just going to swatch this for you guys so you guys can see this. This is stunning. So the shift in this is generally pink. Then you have these large mirror-like glitters, and it's stunning. Like, they're just large flakes. Now, you can go in with these flakes on their own, or you could lay down a base first. Today we are going to go in with another one of Danessa's products. This is the color FX Cream. I'm going to lay that down as a base. Now, yesterday I was playing around with this and I laid down a darker metallic gunmetal silver and I laid this on top of it. That was stunning. But today I just feel kind of in a pink vibe, pink mood. So today we're going to be going in with this color right here, which is called Ballerina. I will link all of the names of everything in the description down for you guys. So I'm going to use these three brushes to create the base of this look. So this is just a very flat brush right here. This one is from Dominique Cosmetics. This is a Morphe and Jaclyn Hill brush. This one is a JH42 small detailed brush. And then this one is a ColourPop E25. This one is a more fluffier but dense rounded tip brush. This one's just going to be to buff out the edges of that cream base. So remember, we're working with creams today, so make sure to have these brushes on hand so you can quickly grab them to blend out. I'm just going to squeeze a tiny bit. Honestly, that's probably a lot for two eyes. You don't need a lot of this product. So let's start with the flat brush. I'm just going to pick up half that product. I'm going to start by applying it from my inner corner and work my way out. This is actually one of the prettiest products that I've picked up for a cream eyeshadow base in a while. I've used it a bunch of times. It's super pretty for a bridal look. It just glides on. Now I am going to go in with that fluffier brush and I'm just going to buff out those edges. And it just glides right on. Like, it's easy breezy, 1, 2, 3, done. So we are going to move on to this. Now I did put the lid back on. This is a gel base, so you have to remember to always put that lid back on because that will dry out and ruin your product. So for this step, I am going to go in with the smaller detailed brush that we had picked out earlier. I'm just going to pick up some of that product, just a little scoop. That's probably too much, but we'll see how it goes. Let's start from the inside and work our way out. So I'm just gently applying that color and laying it down. This is a gel. It glides on. The color is phenomenal. It's absolutely stunning. I'm just tapping on those flakes, making sure that it's tapped on really good. Going left to right. I'm stopping on the 3/4 edge right here. I'm not going to bring that shimmer all the way to the outer corner. I feel like stopping right there is good. This is amazing. Like, the color is just phenomenal. This is insane. You guys have to see this up close. I mean, when I blink, I can see it in the monitor. It's like having mirrors on your eyelids. To go out to the club, evening on a patio, like, this is hands down. Like, drop the mic. She killed it with this formula. I can't wait to go in and finish this look. I'm going to repeat steps on the other eye, and I will be right back to show you guys the final look. So this is the finished look. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. I love it. Like, I think it's beautiful. But that brings me to the question. Do you think it's better to buy an all-in-one product, like something like the Patrick Star eye poppers, where it's just glitter and you just glide it on and that's it, it's one and done? Or do you guys like the two-step process to make this eye look happen? I want to know in the comments down below what you think. You know what time it is. It is time to give this product a score. Starting with application. My one big issue with this is that it says right here on the box that you can go in with your finger with this product, but clearly if you have claws on like I do, you can't. So I'm going to have to give this one an 8 out of 10 for application, but besides that, it applied beautifully. It dried down amazingly. Loved it. Up next, Pigment. There are 11 shades in the collection. This is the color Sweet Tooth. I really love the formula. I think it's stunning. The huge flakes I don't have a problem with because this is beautiful. I'm going to have to give this one a 9 out of 10. And finally, value. This is $33 Canadian. I think it's a great price for the product. I like it. I'm going to have to give this one a 10 out of 10, bringing us to a final score of 27 out of 30. Now, should you buy it, wishlist it, or avoid it, definitely run out and pick this up. I think it's stunning, but ColourPop does make a similar product at like a fraction of the price. I believe it's $6 or $7. This one does have this really large mirror-like reflect in it, which I think is absolutely stunning. So that does set it apart for something a little bit cheaper like the ColourPop, but amazing. Alright guys, if you love videos like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss when I drop a new video. Alright, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys!